Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile Dolly Cart, a 309-pound capacity aluminum folding hand truck designed for all your moving needs. This industrial-style dolly, with its vibrant orange color, features two swivel handles covered in soft rubber foam, making it comfortable and easy to use, especially for taller individuals with its 47.24-inch height. Constructed from high-strength steel and aluminum alloy, this lightweight cart weighs just 11.2 pounds and folds down to a compact size of 36 inches by 19 inches by 2 inches, making it perfect for storage in tight spaces like car trunks or closets. The 7-inch rubber wheels ensure smooth movement, whether you're transporting boxes, parcels, or even garden supplies, making it ideal for both home and office use. With no assembly required, the Dolly Cart unfolds in just 3 seconds, allowing you to quickly step on the base plate, pull out the handle, and start moving your load with ease. Remember to keep the dolly balanced for optimal performance and longevity, and if you encounter any issues within 31 days, their customer support is ready to assist you. So, whether you're moving, shopping, or handling warehouse deliveries, the Dolly Cart is your reliable partner for heavy-duty tasks. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.